Hey guys, Kevin11 again, and this time I'm gonna be doing a tour review of my Interactech stormtrooper here. I've got him already out of the package. Everything he has, his little rifle gun, and his jetpack. So let's go ahead and turn him on. Flip the switch here. Press his belt buckle.
Reporting for duty, Commander.
Give him his weapon. Actually, first, he does some stuff without. Shake him.
Find cover. There's one set for stun. Move along. Troopers, listen up. Orders received. Mission is a go. Let's move. I need a weapon. Run! Ah!
Okay, now let's give him his weapon. You put it in his hand, and there's a button in there that activates the gun.
Alright, men, load your weapons.
See, like that. Ah! Knocked my tripod off. And you see he has a red light. Can you guys see that? No. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a red light there.
Awaiting orders, Commander.
Still in the box.
That, you rebels.
And if you do this, alright.
Troopers, march! Here they come. Advance!
Alright. Now let's give him his jetpack.
Let's take this fight to the sky. Head for the cash. It's hard to run with all this equipment. Jetpacks are meant for flying, not running.
Now here's something really cool. If you bang his head on the floor, he makes damage sounds.
Can't we just blast them? A little help here.
Now let's do it without his weapon.
Drop your weapon. I need a weapon. A trooper should always stay on his feet. Heads up. Fight for the ammo. A little help here. The trooper should all heads up.
Let's just do it with my death trooper. Got my death trooper. Let's just bang their heads together.
Lord Vader won't accept defeat.
Alright. So here's my death trooper. Nothing special about him, he just has articulation and stuff.
Orders received. Run! Fight for the Empire.
And if you hold the button down, he automatically turns off.
Trooper standing by.
So that's pretty much it with the Interactech Stormtrooper. This is really awesome. And if you manage to find yourself one at Walmart or somewhere, then I highly recommend you get it. Because this thing is really awesome. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. And if you liked it, make sure to give the like button a punch. Like, really punch it. Like this. Yeah. Okay. So that's pretty much all I have for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye!